Assalamu alaikum student. Hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. This is your science teacher, Ms. Hosia here. This is our third presentation naming heat. Now we are moving forward to our learning objectives. So what are our learning objectives? Learning objectives are that this presentation will help you understand basic concept of heat, which is basically a form of energy and manner in which it affects object. So now we are moving forward to our introduction. What is our introduction? Introduction includes important source and certain advantages of heat. It provides us energy and keep earth warm. Okay. Now we have warm-up activity for you. All of you be ready for the activity. What you have to do in this activity? In this activity, take a look at this picture present at right side. Cross out the objects which are hot and tick the cold objects. Okay? Now we are moving forward to our definition of heat. Actually, what is a definition of heat? What you understand, heat can be defined as the form of energy which is moved between two things when one of them is hotter than the other. It is measure of degree of hotness or coldness of any object. Heat comes from different sources called as heat sources. Okay, now we have properties of heat. So student, look, be careful. What is the properties of heat? Now we are showing you the process in which heat travels from one to another object is known as conduction. Depending upon this behavior of heat, there are two types of conductors present in our surrounding. What are they? Number one is some objects allow high amount of heat to pass through. It is called good conductor of heat. And some objects allow less amount of heat to pass through in it, called bad conductor of heat. Now we have the exact or correct definition of good conductors. Look, be careful. Objects, look this picture. In this picture you have iron and boiler. Okay, objects that allows more heat to pass through them are good conductors of heat. They are called as conductors, such as metal. Heat travels through it quickly. That is the reason because of which cooking pots are made up of metals, as heat travels through it quickly, resulting in fast preparation of food. Okay, now we have bad conductors, or they are also called the insulators. So what are the bad conductors? Objects that allows less heat to pass through them are bad conductors of heat. They are called as insulator, such as clothes. Heat travels through it lately. That is the reason because of which blankets are made up of cloth, as heat travels through it lately, helping in keeping the body warm by the trapping heat under it. Okay, student, I hope you understand the topic what is a heat. Or now we have the home task. What you have to do in this home task? In the given picture, differentiate between the heat conductors and insulators or bad conductors of a heat. After doing so, fill in the following blanks according to this picture. Submit your answer by tomorrow.